Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. Now, the reason you'd want to learn this is sometimes you might come across a seller who isn't following Facebook's rules, is being dishonest, or selling fake or prohibited items. Reporting helps keep the marketplace safe and trustworthy for everybody. This video is going to be particularly helpful for anyone who's had a bad experience with a seller, suspected of a scam, or wants to protect others from fraudulent activity. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way into the end to learn exactly how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, navigate to the Facebook app. Now you're probably going to be on your home page. What you're going to want to do is navigate over to Marketplace. You'll see Marketplace down here. Just click on that button. You'll see today's picks, whatever. And in order to report a seller, you're going to have to go up to your profile. You'll see everything. But once you see inbox, you're going to go to your inbox and you'll have all of, the people you messaged, all of the things that you're interested in. So for this one example, say I wanted to report this seller, I would simply hit the report seller button and it will give you a lot of options to choose from, such as already sold, inaccurate price, didn't show up, stopped responding, scam, buying harassment, and didn't receive the item. And so you just go here, you hit submit, and Facebook will do their thing, look over the listing, and determine if it's a scam or not. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. So now that we covered how to report a Facebook Marketplace seller, here are some things to consider before you actually report. Number one is to make sure to document any evidence, like screenshots of your conversations or the listing itself. The second thing is to understand that reporting won't guarantee an immediate resolution. Number two is to understand that reporting won't guarantee an immediate resolution, but it does alert Facebook to review the issue. The third thing is if you've already made a payment and suspect fraud, contact your payment provider to dispute the charge while Facebook investigates. With that being said, I really hope that this video helped you understand on how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. If it did help you out, please be sure to like the video, share this video with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe for more future tutorials.